Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Asana forms for intake and task creation, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Asana forms for intake and task creation, start by logging into your Asana account. Select the project where you would like to create a form. Click on the Forms tab located at the top of the project panel. Next, click on the button labeled Create Form to start setting up your form. You will see a blank form interface where you can begin adding fields. To add a question, click on the plus Add Question button. Choose the type of field you want, such as a text field, multiple choice, or a checkbox. Label your question clearly to ensure that respondents understand what information you need. If necessary, mark questions as required to ensure that users must answer them before submitting. You can also add descriptions or help text for each question to provide further context. Once you've added all your desired questions, rearrange them by dragging and dropping as needed. Take a moment to review your form layout and make adjustments for clarity. After finalizing your questions, click on the Settings tab to configure your form preferences. Here, you can set options like confirmation messages or notifications for submissions. When you are satisfied with your settings, click Save to preserve your changes. To share your form, click on the Share Form button to generate a link. You can copy this link and distribute it to your team or clients for intake purposes. Once users submit the form, tasks will automatically be created in your project based on the responses. Lastly, monitor incoming submissions to ensure that all tasks are captured effectively. With these steps, you have successfully activated Asana forms for intake and task creation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.